Have you heard that you can use a VPN to change location, but you're not sure why or how? In this video, I'll show you how to change your location with a VPN step by step. We'll also look at what benefits this gives you, like watching geo-restricted content, staying private online, and keeping your data safe. Let's break it down and make it simple. IP address basics. First, let's break down what an IP address is and why it matters for your online privacy and digital security. Your unique online identifier. Think of your IP address like a digital home address. It's assigned by your internet service provider, ISP, and is linked directly to your Wi-Fi network or mobile connection. It reveals your real-world location, and it's how websites, apps, advertisers, and even hackers track your device. Every time you go online, your public IP address broadcasts your approximate location, letting third parties monitor your online activity, behavior, and even your device type. So yes, your IP address exposes a lot more than you think. How to change your IP address. So how do you change your IP address and location? Here are the top 3 methods, but only one really works. Switching access points. Change your Wi-Fi network. For instance, go to a coffee shop. This assigns a new IP address, but it doesn't encrypt your connection or change the region and offers almost zero privacy. Using a proxy server. You can configure proxies in your browser. This hides your IP temporarily, but it only works in that browser, doesn't encrypt traffic, and doesn't protect other apps on your device. Using a VPN, virtual private network. This is the most effective method. Reroutes your entire internet connection, encrypts your traffic, and gives you a new IP from a remote location. Offers complete online privacy and location masking. It also gives protection against ads, malicious links, and pop-ups on websites. Change location with a VPN on a computer. Now, let's look at how to change your location with a VPN on your computer, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. I'll show this using the NordVPN app, which is my favorite VPN provider. It's fast, easy to use, and offers robust security. Step 1. Install the app. Click the link in the description to get NordVPN for your device, Windows or Mac OS. Step 2. Open the app and log in. You'll see a map and a Quick Connect button. Step 3. Tap Quick Connect. It connects you to the closest VPN server for optimal performance. But if you want a server in a specific country, like the UK or India, just use the interactive map, country list, or the search bar. How to check if your location has changed. Wondering if it worked? Inside NordVPN, you'll see your new IP address. You can also visit a site like What is my IP address? It shows your current location. Boom, your location has changed. Why I use NordVPN? NordVPN isn't just about location change. It's built for security too. You get access to over 150 countries and 7,700 plus servers. It offers some of the fastest speeds available. Plus, you're protected with top-tier encryption, ad blocking, and malware detection. They use RAM on the service, which means no saved data, and they have an audited no-logs policy, great for people who care about privacy. Change location on a mobile device. Let's switch to mobile. Here's how to change the location with a VPN on your Android or iOS phone. I'm using ExpressVPN, my top pick for mobile privacy and streaming platforms VPN users. Scan the QR code to get the best deal, sign up, and get the app. Step 2. Log in using your account. Step 3. Tap the Be Quick Connect button. It picks the best server, lightweight powered for fast speeds. Step 4. Want a specific location? Just choose a country from the list. ExpressVPN covers 105 countries. Why I use ExpressVPN on mobile? Here's why ExpressVPN is my top pick for mobile. Super fast speeds with lightweight protocol. No logs policy with RAM only servers. 105 plus countries for global access. Built-in tracker blocker and AES 256 encryption. If you're serious about mobile privacy, location change, and streaming access, ExpressVPN is one of the best out there. Final thoughts. To wrap up, using a VPN to change location is super easy. It helps you access geo-restricted content, protects your data, and gives you anonymity online. Whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS, tools like NordVPN and ExpressVPN make it fast and secure. You can find discount links in the video description or scan the QR code on screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tips about privacy, speed, and location change. See you in the next one.